This is 7 lecture regarding the Ansys software, and hopefully you have completed watching the previous 6 lecture. If you don't have the patience and consistency for watching the tutorials concurrently, believe me, you won't be able to expert and you won't be get all the points properly. So let's start today's tutorial. So when you just get back to your ANSYS software, you will see such type of interface. So you can draw your sketch by geometry or static structural. So I prefer to sketch any model by static structure. So just double click here and you can see here geometry. Just click on the right side of your mouse. You see the 3 drawing modules what I discussed the previous lectures. So I would like to prefer to sketch any model by new design modular geometry. Just click here. Okay, now you are in your expected design modular interface. So now the questions for everyone, what I gonna discuss with you today. So I will discuss with you the 3 tools: Extrude, Revolve, and Sweep. So it's a very important tool to be expertise or to be able to draw something, because when you're gonna draw a complex geometry, you have definitely different knowledge about these tools. Okay, so I will discuss first the extrude, and just go to the XY plane and just click on the right side of your mouse and just click on look at whatever you want to draw. So I would like to prefer to draw a circle. So just click on circle and you see just I just completed my sketching without the dimensions. So I just click on dimensions and just click on diameter and just click here, and you see if you just want the value what will be the diameter also, just click on display and click on the value, so you will see the value. Okay, so you have already known about the fact is if you are drawing by this module design modeler, so its unit by default is meter. Okay, so I wanna change the diameter, so I would like to put it here for 10 meter. So you can see your diameter is 10 meter. So after completing your sketch, you will just click on your on the right side here, the circle. Now you are in XYZ plane. So after completing these, you will just click on your first tool, extrude. So whenever you click on extrude, you will see here extrude 1, and what you actually completed your sketch, the circle, it will turn into yellow color, and what you have sketched already, it will actually just click on the positive sign, you will see your sketch. Okay, so you see here just here it has shown the geometry. Just click your the sketch whatever you have completed the sketch and just click. Okay, so when you just completed your clicking here, yeah, you see here your yellow color has been shifted into the indigo color. Okay, so it would be these directions. You see this direction is the Z direction. So what would be the length to the Z direction? For example, it would be 30 meter. Okay, so so you can see here whatever, for example, you just want the thin surface, yes or no. If you want a thin surface, just click on yes. I don't prefer, so that's why I click no. Mars topology, I will discuss with you this topic with you later. Okay. So I would like to go for the yes, and just uh, after just clicking, just modifying this 30 meter, you will see something here, right? Yes. So just click after completing this, you just clicking here, generate. Oh yeah, you're just getting the point. Okay. So here is another tool here, rotate. Okay. From the second job version, you can see the rotate, and you see this is actually the function of the extrude. Okay. So but it's a very simple task you can see here, and you see I can easily change the direction. For example, it's a normal means it will be extruded along the z-axis. If I just used it by reverse, so that would be the opposite directions, just like the opposite of the z directions, you can see. So what will happen? Okay, just generate. Okay, you see the direction is as like as this. Okay, you can easily use here, for example, both symmetric. Just click here, you can just generate. Okay, so what do you mean by symmetric? You can see it will be up both sides, the upper direction and the lower directions. Okay, and for example, you just wanna for asymmetric, what it would be, it should be one side like this, the normal. Okay. Okay, so it's a very simple task, and I think so it's a very easy, it will be very easy for you. Okay. Okay, just I'm kidding. So now I will go for the revolve. Okay, before starting my revolve, I would like to delete this, so just click on delete. Okay, and I should like to delete it. Okay. Okay, so I have deleted it, and now I gonna teach you what are the tasks of revolve. So just go to the XY plane and just click on locate, and you see what I am gonna draw. Okay, I can draw something rectangle. Okay, let's see what is happening. Okay, just I am drawing a rectangular shape. So it's a sketch without the dimensions. So I'll go to the dimensions here. You can see, just go for length, and here you can see. Okay. Okay. Okay, I will change it. Okay, for example, L2 is here, is the width. So it should be, for example, 25 meter, or sorry, and it should be like this, not enough, 5. Okay, 5. So the L3, the length, it should be, for example, 30 meter, and you see from here to here there will be a distance here, and it should be, the distance is 10 meter. Okay, so I have completed my sketching. So now I will use the revolve. Okay. Okay, whenever I click the revolve, you see the color is yellow now. So at first I would like to select the geometry, so just click on here and just apply. Okay, and I should use select the axis. Okay, at first just click one axis, and you see I would like to draw the revolve by y-axis. You can easily interchange by these. Okay, so I can get these directions. Okay, so just click here, you can add material here, whatever you want. So direction, it should be like that. I will discuss with you for all the cases. Okay, you can easily change the directions as like as the thin surface, merge topology. Okay, so after clicking here, your yellow color is no more. Okay, then just click one generate. Okay, you can see your model, right? So now the question is, you see the question. Okay, you see here another tool like this, the pen. You can easily without changing anything, you can easily shift. Okay, okay, you can rotate by this. Okay, by this rotate. Okay, so what it would be if I changed it as like as I would like to say it, whenever it will be 180 degree, or what will be then? So generate. Okay, so you can see only like this. Okay, if we use for example 270 degree, so just generate. Okay, you can see like this. Okay, okay, so it should be the 360 degree. Okay, so now you can see here it's about the, you can see it's the, okay, okay, if I actually the direction is a normal, if I actually use the reverse, what will be then? Just click here, you can see. Okay, so if I use the both symmetric use, okay, so as like the befores. Okay, if I just click here, you can see generate. Okay, so this is actually the main task of Revolve. Okay, now I will discuss the third tool, sweep. So before doing that, I would like to delete. Okay, okay, so okay, just go to the XY plane and look at, and you see it's okay, just go to the sketching and the line, what will be, okay, sorry, okay, it's a, with it's a sketch without dimensions, so I should go for length, and you, okay, okay, that's fine. So I should go for 40 this direction, and this should be 25. Okay, and I need this direction angle, so I should go for angle. I should select these and these, so it should be, the direction should be 245. So you see this direction is this should be 225 degree. Okay, so basically I wanna show you I wanna show you how to draw the pipe. Okay, using the sweep. Okay, so for these you will go for what it would be, the sketch would be like this. So this is actually the y-axis, and this is actually the x-axis, right? So I should go for the y-axis now, and I should be Okay, just go for the sketching and the circle. Okay, and it should be the dimension and diameter. Okay, the diameter should be, for example, 10. Okay, so after completing this, you will go back to the modeling and you just click on the sketch, and right side clicking of your mouse always show sketch, and you see sketch always show sketch. Okay, so you just click on the right side of your XYZ plane and you can see your like this. Okay, okay, you see this direction, right? So what will happen now, I'll show you. Just completing my sketch in XY plane and YZ plane. So you see by using this rotate tool and pen tool, you can easily move. Now you will go for your third tool, sweep. Just click and you can see here the profile. So your sketch gonna be like this, okay, and like this. Okay, so the path profile, it will be your YZ plane sketch. So just click, and the path it should be like this. So the path it should be your XY plane, and first click here, then click here. Okay, so you see whenever you see any before generating any sketch, you see such type of indigo color, you might be able to get free. Okay, okay, so after completing this, you will just create the general. Okay, now you see your pipe. Okay, so today's class was about these three tools: extrude, revolve, and sweep. Hopefully this class you may enjoy because you see the 3D model of something. So thank you and keep watching my tutorials.